Hello! Today, I will show you how to use Router tool in BitFlows for creating multipath flows. The Router tool in BitFlows helps you to create workflows with multiple pathways, allowing your data to be processed differently across various platforms. This tutorial, we explain how to use the Router tool in a workflow. We will use BitForm as the trigger and show how to send form data to Google Sheets and, at the same time, make an API request to add a subscriber in MailBluster. So first, navigate to the Flow section. If you don't have Create any flow yet, simply click on the Create Flow button to create a new flow. Here, enter a name for your flow, then click on the Create button. Congratulations! You have successfully created a new flow. Your newly created flow will now be displayed like this. Now, we will add the BitForm as a trigger from the drop-down options. You need to install BitForm to integrate with Flow. The setup guide link can be found in the description below. Now I am submitting a testing response from BitForm. After submitting the response will look like this, and those data are available in the next flow as a variable to map data. Congratulations! You have successfully added a BitForm trigger to your flow. Now go to the Tools section, where you will find different types of tools are available. Now drag and drop the Router tool into your workflow. Then, connect BitForm with the Router tool. To add a path in BitFlows, simply click the plus icon within the Router interface. If you want to create multiple paths, simply click on the Router icon multiple times. In this way, you can easily split the workflow into multiple paths and perform different actions for each. In this tutorial, I will create two paths, one to send data to Google Sheets and another to make an API request to MailBluster to add a new subscriber. Now we will add Google Sheets as an action. How to add Google Sheets as an action to your flow. You will find Google Sheet setup guide link in the description below. Now, I am mapping fields from the response to the Google Sheets. You have successfully added a Google Sheets action to your flow. Next, add an API request to create a subscriber in MailBluster, as are another actions. How to add an API request to create a subscriber in MailBluster as an action to your flow. Follow the setup guide link in the description below. After completing all the setup, click on the Test Flow Once button to run a test and submit a form. Once your form has been successfully submitted, return to the BitFlow section. Then click on the Logs button to view the details. In the Log section, you can verify that your form submission data is accurately updated in Google Sheets and that the API request for adding a new subscriber to MailBluster has been successfully executed. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.